Welcome to our deep dive into the 2025 Mazda 3, a car that continues to blur the line between mainstream and premium. Mazda has once again elevated its game with the latest iteration of the Mazda 3, bringing refined design, impressive performance, and a feature-packed interior, all while keeping it accessible for a wide range of buyers. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Mazda 3 remains a head-turner with its Kodo design language, blending sleek curves with a strong, athletic stance. It looks bold yet elegant, with a sculpted hood, sharp LED headlights, and a distinctive grille that gives it a confident front profile. The hatchback variant offers a sportier look with a sloping roofline and a more aggressive rear end, while the sedan maintains a clean and classy appearance. Available in new color options, including a deep metallic red and a rich pearl white, the Mazda 3's design is both timeless and modern. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Mazda 3 is where things get truly impressive. Mazda continues to prioritize a driver-focused layout with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a minimalist design that emphasizes form and function. The dashboard features an 8.8-inch infotainment screen paired with a rotary controller, keeping distractions to a minimum. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual-zone climate control, and an 8-speaker audio system. Opt for higher trims, and you'll get leather seats, a premium Bose sound system, a head-up display, and power-adjustable front seats. Rear seat space is decent, and the trunk is surprisingly spacious for a compact car. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda 3 offers multiple engine options depending on the trim. The base model gets a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 191 horsepower, delivering smooth and reliable performance. For those wanting more punch, a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine is available, pushing out up to 250 horsepower with premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is available on select trims for added confidence in varying road conditions. As for pricing, the 2025 Mazda 3 starts around $25,000 for the base model and can go up to $35,000 for the fully loaded turbocharged variant with all-wheel drive. Considering the quality, performance, and premium touches you get, it remains one of the best values in the compact car segment. Whether you're after sharp style, a premium feel, or engaging driving dynamics, the 2025 Mazda 3 delivers across the board. It's more than just a compact car, it's a statement.